Look at this apple cinnamon goodness. We had some apples that had lived a good life and needed to be loved and attended to. So I cored them, chopped them up into bits, and made this apple spice sauce.
It smells so good.
It smells fantastic. I also used our Instant Pot multi-cooker, the Aurora Pro, to make yogurt. This is my first time using the multi-cooker to make yogurt yesterday. Seems to be really good. It's so large, you could do a huge batch in here. Haha, big batch.
So how much did you make?
I doubled the recipe.
Cool. So that makes...
Probably 4 cups. I put less gelatin in than normal. You can see it's not super thick, but as it's chilled, it will get a little more solid. So I like the fruit on the bottom, and I'm just going to spoon this in over top. You can do it however you'd like. If you like the fruit on the top, or if you like the fruit mixed in, you can do it that way too.
Can you tell the story about you and fruit on the bottom from when you were a kid?
Yeah, my mom used to buy yogurt for us when we were kids. And oftentimes she would buy the big container and then scoop it into the smaller containers for us to take to school. And she would buy the fruit on the bottom, yogurt, but then stir it. And I always was irritated because I liked to eat the plain yogurt and then finish my yogurt up with that like sugary fruit on the bottom, which didn't happen when she bought the gigantic containers. And I always really liked the apple spice. I don't know if they still make apple spice. Maybe seasonally?
I don't know. I've never seen it. But then I wasn't a big yogurt either. Actually, I didn't eat yogurt at all until just a few years ago.
This is like tart and sweet apple pie. It's so good.